Greetings YouTube, welcome back campaigners. This is Campaign Terrain, I'm your host Carlos. And today I'm going to show you a really quick, simple way to make flock that's ready to be used immediately in whatever color you want. You'll mix and match your own colors, but it's basically dry once you've got the color in it, and you can use it immediately. We'll be using regular old tea out of tea bags, and you can make it in all sorts of different colors. Here I've got one in a yellow, I've got one in a mid green, I've got one in a light green. You can do the same thing with sawdust as well. Just takes seconds. So stick around after the bump and I'll show you how to do it. Meanwhile, like, share, subscribe. If you want to click one of those links to help out the channel, that would really help me. I've got a Patreon, I've got a PayPal, I've got a couple other options for you. Click those if you would, that'd be great. See you in just a second and thanks for coming. So there you have it, campaigners. Quick and simple. Tiny bit of material, mostly free, little squirt of paint, seconds to make, immediately ready to use. Make it in any color you want. Now the sawdust is going to come out a little bit lighter. The tea is going to come out a little bit darker. That's up to you. Happen to be using tea today to show you. So make sure to click those links. One of those is Sorcery and Scissors, and one of those is BeardClipper. Make sure to hit those links. They both help me out, and I've had conversations with them, both great people. I like their channels. Until next time, please like, share, subscribe. Hit those links if you're able. My name's Cross. This is Campaign Terrain. I love you, and until next time, I wish you luck in your campaign. Thank you so much for coming.